Good afternoon, Jeff here at the GSM workshop. Just a quick update on the Range Rover Classic Lichfield edition. It's to a point where I got the engine out, the gearbox out or transmission out, and I will show you what she looks like right now. This is probably the last time you see this body in the workshop, as I'll be pushing it out this week and putting in the new body later on this week. So a little bit of clearing up, but I'll put you on pause and show you around what I've got left here right now. So here we are. I think I showed you the engine out a little while ago. This is progress. So it's just on trestles right now, out of the way. Still got the chains on there, so it balances quite nicely on those chains when it's on the engine hoist. You can see how it needs detailing, and I will be doing that shortly as well. So I'll be taking some stuff off and cleaning it, power washing it, repainting it, doing bits and pieces here and there on it, and getting it back together. And this is the TVR 5-litre Griffith engine, about 300 horsepower. Here's the transmission on the floor. It is huge. I don't think I've ever moved such a big transmission as this one. Of course, you've got the bell housing, the actual transmission, the transfer case. Then on the Land Rover Range Rovers, you have the emergency brake on here, which is really handy actually, because it tends to lock up the axles front and back. So here it is, totally empty. You can see right through right now. Unfortunately, I had to cut the exhaust because one of these stupid exhausts which were welded on in place. I'm going to try and salvage this exhaust system because it is all stainless steel and big bore. It does sound nice as well. There's the empty engine bay. And you see all the dry floor underneath where all the engine transmission fluid popped out of it. Inside just looks like a mess right now. I've started to store stuff in here. Underneath here, this belongs to my son. This is actually a fuel tank for a Moto Guzzi V7 Racer. It's a chrome tank, probably worth more on the car 2 times over. Around the back, I have fenders which are really good, doors which aren't bad. I'm putting the doors back on once it's back outside. And inside, it's just a storeroom right now. So just look at this. The tailgate on this is in really good condition. There is, I can see, a small bit of corrosion here. That's it. But otherwise, it's really good. I've shut the top tailgate. Again, this tailgate is in good condition too. So I may go over to the other car. We'll see what the condition of the other one's like. I got seats out here and stuff to move as well. So, that's where I'm at right now. I will be putting the tyres back on and rolling it out of the workshop. Oh, yeah, I got this to take off. I forgot all about that. Like, it's not quite a sump guard, but it is a front end guard, or more like an axle guard, if anything else. And I got one awkward bolt just up here to take out. I'll drop that out. That's going to be my next job in a minute. So that's where I am. Say goodbye to this one out of a workshop, the GSM workshop. And now I'll show you the next video will be the other body in here, doing it all again, taking engine out and transmission out, doing the swap. Hopefully soon, maybe, we'll see how things go. No promises when it will be, but soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Lots more videos to follow. Thank you for watching.